Here I will show you a real working strategy on how to make money on AMC. Today I decided to record a video about AMC because I'm tired. I'm tired of enduring this and tired of listening to it. We have a lot of YouTubers who have emerged telling all sorts of, excuse my language, nonsense, absolute falsehoods, spreading rumors to everyone, just blatantly deceiving people, and it needs to stop. I want to make it clear that this video won't contain any predictions about AMC because, in my opinion, making predictions is a thankless task. However, this video will offer something different from other YouTubers who talk about AMC. Here, you'll find a real strategy for making money with AMC. It's absolutely real. None of the other bloggers show how to earn from AMC. They just talk about it, but this will be different. Okay, let's get started. I started actively following AMs after its explosive growth. Honestly, I'm neither a fan nor an advocate of AMC. I was just curious about when it would all end. Yes, many won't like this, but I even traded options on AMC at that time. The volatility was very high and I was able to make a good profit from it. That's why I occasionally keep an eye on AMC. But recently, what I've noticed is that there are many bloggers who are gaining an incredible number of views. They focus solely on AMC, uploading videos every day talking about incomprehensible things. My friends, this is trash information. Everything they say is incredibly bad information. I have a question for all these pseudo-experts. Where are your results? You talk a lot about AMC, yes, but where are the results? Can you show at least something? I'm ready to show even though I'm not an expert, not a fan. I don't sit and watch AMC every day. Well, you'll see how a real professional works. I'll betray all of this through options. First, let me explain my position on AMC. Anything related to splits and additional emission is unpleasant. I also don't have much love for Adam Aron in the investing community. Some consider him a weak manager, but that's not important. Additional emission are undoubtedly detrimental to AMC. I agree. The first thing they deceive you about is the existence of fictional stocks. If you hear a blogger saying that there are stocks that don't exist, it's all a lie, complete lie. It's just not true, doesn't correspond to reality. Yes, they can show charts claiming that some orders were not placed. It's all great, works well to manipulate the crowd. Maybe I don't deny that there might be some inaccuracies. I don't deny that somewhere maybe there were some days when something wasn't reported, especially after the conversion of synthetic shares. But all of this does not affect the main point, which we will come back to shortly. Second, there's a conspiracy theory that hedge funds are locked in, which is a complete lie, my friends. No hedge funds are locked in there. Forget about it. Anyone who wanted to leave did so long ago. Before the emission, there might be a debate about whether they were there for this purpose or not, my friends. In my strategy, this doesn't matter. But if it doesn't matter, why bother discussing it? The fact remains that no one is locked in there. Everyone who wanted to leave has long since exited. The third fact will be the main sum loss, the main short squeeze, the mother of all short squeezes. This is a complete lie. There will be no short squeeze, no main short squeeze. Yes, AMC may grow to 10. I even believe it. I am even ready to bet on it. Yes, AMC may grow to 20, but friends, we are not talking about 10. We are not talking about 20. We are talking about 1,000. Someone says it will come back, that it will be worth 300, 400, 500,000. Friends, this is a complete lie. I won't even delve into macro analysis of why this is nonsense, simply due to the sheer number of shares. This is nonsense. Look at the market capitalization. AMC must surpass Apple. Are you kidding me? Okay, I may have exaggerated about Apple, but it's all relative. Everyone talking about a powerful short squeeze is just lying to you. We can simply look at the open short interest, but it's 11, my friends. Someone says it's a lie. Not true. It's true, accept the reality. I bring you back to reality. You have to return to reality to start earning money realistically. The shop is closed. Understand that you are not the only smart ones. Hedge funds with which I am actively working are also not fools. There are geniuses sitting there, my friends. I really mean it. Geniuses in mathematics and programming. What worked in 2021 bent the hedge funds over these 3 years. They've crapped out hundreds, no, not hundreds, thousands of mathematical models to prevent this from happening. Friends, unlike retail investors, they learn from their mistakes and they won't allow such a thing to happen again. They already have thousands of options to avoid it. I can guarantee you, I'm familiar with some of these options and I will use them if AMC starts growing significantly. These strategies will kill all of AMC's growth. As for these bloggers, I really don't understand what they can talk about every day. They release videos literally every day. It's madness. I watched a bit, and it's just some kind of garbage. I don't want to offend anyone, not pointing fingers at anyone personally, but it's just garbage. As for me, I am a professional fund manager. I don't know where AMC's stocks will go, but I know how to manage risk. I know how to manage positions. I am starting my challenge to outperform AMC. Yes, I will outperform AMC live in front of your eyes. Every trade will be recorded. There will be exceptional professionalism here that you won't see from these bloggers. Please don't listen to them when they say you can buy calls. My friends, on such volatility, you can't buy calls. It's just like death. Even if AMC is expected to grow, you are paying for high volatility, my friends. Forget about it. Also, I don't understand why all these bloggers who claim to be AMC experts don't show their positions on AMC. We are not talking about the entire portfolio. Just show us on AMC what you have, how many shares, how you trade. Do you trade at all? Nothing is known. I will show everything. Yes, I will show it on a demo account, but the same positions can be replicated on my real account. It's natural information, but considering it confidential, I cannot reveal my account and my clients' accounts. But on a demo account, absolutely the same prices and everything else. If someone nitpicks about the demo account, fine. Let those bloggers who record videos every day at least show it on a demo account. Even without a demo account, let them write it down on an Excel sheet. Bought, sold, bought, sold. But it doesn't matter. I throw this challenge to all these bloggers. If they are such experts, if they are such professionals, let's play. Let's see who will win, who will outperform AMC, who will become the best AMC trader. I immediately say I am not connected with AMC. I will not record videos every day. I will just manage positions and strategies competently. That's it. I immediately answer the question again. I don't know where the price will go. I simply don't know. It may go up or down. Here will be exclusively position management. I can assure you that none of the bloggers will accept this challenge. None will agree because they will definitely lose. They have nothing. All their income is based on making videos. Maybe they have other sources of income, but definitely not with AMC. I don't believe they make money with AMC. I just don't believe it. Okay, we opened interactive brokers. Okay, we are in my brokers. The first thing I do is translate it into English. I am about to engage in options trading. Under no circumstances should you replicate my actions as it involves significant risks. If you are not a professional or lack knowledge in options trading, refrain from following my steps as you may replicate without understanding the intricacies. I have hesitated to showcase my trades, but professionalism is best demonstrated through actual transactions. The information provided is for informational purposes only, and I emphasize not to replicate these trades. What do professionals really look at? Trust me, I won't be focusing on stock flows, short floats, or the remaining time for the main short squeeze. Instead, my attention will be on something else. Firstly, I open my trading platform and check options expiring in June or January. I make some adjustments, extending the duration to 6 months. Excellent. That's done. Now, comparing two strikes, the situation becomes clearer for me personally. I choose which strike to open, whether for June or January. I select all strikes and analyze the options chain to determine the best ones to open. Additionally, I want to look at this 3D visual representation. I won't explain it to anyone. It's complex, but professionals will understand its significance immediately. Now, I want to buy options, choosing June 2024. By the way, I almost forgot to mention the challenge. The challenge involves starting with a $10,000 capital, trying to outperform AMC. As of January 16, AMC has dropped again. Returning to the trades, I am selecting which options to buy. I have chosen 157 days. Following this analysis, I decide on the third strike. Surprisingly, I am buying puts, not calls. I buy 50 puts on AMC at the minimum price. However, I encounter some issues with the demo account, making it challenging to execute the order smoothly. Demo accounts have their drawbacks. Nevertheless, I managed to buy 12 puts on the third strike. Unable to buy the intended 50, I purchased 12 and also buy 8 puts for January 2025. I have positions open for puts on AMC for July 2024 as well. Now, all positions are fully open considering commissions. I'll keep the record simple, noting the strategy, what I buy I'll sell, the quantity, and the total amount multiplied by the quantity plus commissions. I have spent a total of $40 on commissions. Some may wonder why I'm betting on a decline. My goal is to benefit from the rise of AMC through selling options. I will be playing this differently. In summary, I have bought 12 puts for July 2024, 8 puts for January 2025, and 30 puts for July 2024 with a total commission of $40. I'm ready to round up the figures, and regardless of any objections, I will continue to bet on the rise of AMC, leveraging option selling strategies. First, I will sell 10 options with a strike price of $4.05 each using a market order. Once executed, all 10 options will be sold. Additionally, I will sell 10 options with a strike price of $5 each using a market order, completing the sale of this position. I will continue to sell another 10 options with the same strike price. Moving forward, I will sell options with a strike price of $6, starting with 5 options, followed by 6.5 W. Now, as AMC is currently priced at $4.21, the outcome of these trades will result in the following: 10 options at $4.05 each, 10 at $5 each, and so on. I am quickly filling out a table with the same strikes but with a negative sign indicating that I received payment for these options. Summing up the results, approximately $5,000 is involved in these trades. The strategy revolves around leveraging a smaller amount of capital compared to the value of AMC stock. Despite using only $5,000, I have sold a total of 50 options, equivalent to 5,000 shares. The goal is to profit from the decay in options premium over time. This strategy is focused on selling volatility and taking advantage of time decay. The plan is to continuously roll over and manage these options. While initial weeks might not show significant returns, the strategy anticipates gains over the course of a month or two. It's important to note that no call options have been purchased so far, but it's possible that I might buy calls in the future purely for hedging purposes. The emphasis is on selling options rather than buying stocks or engaging in speculative activities. If any blogger suggests buying calls, it's advised to stay away, as this individual might be jeopardizing your capital. Professionals focus on selling options, especially during periods of high volatility. Selling options on AMC, given its low cost, is considered a lucrative opportunity. The strategy involves selling options systematically, and I am open to questions or consultations. The overarching message is to make money on AMC through strategic options trading rather than following long-term holds or speculative buying.